Mikky from Invent with Mikky, and a few weeks ago on my YouTube channel, I made my bike sound like a motorbike. I put a plastic bottle and a sheet which attached to my wheel, and when it spun, it sounded like a really cool motorbike. And an American viral video show called Right This Minute bought my video and they made their own show using it. Check it out!
Christian, Nick, you guys are going to love Mikky. She's an inventor, she's 11 years old, and this is what we're doing.
Hey everyone, I'm Mikky. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your bike sound like a motorbike.
Oh,
Hey!
yeah! Oh my gosh, my 11-year-old self would have loved this.
Yeah, well, your 21-year-old self will continue to like this. Pretty simple, actually. She's got herself a little X-Acto knife. She takes off the wrapper from this bottle. You chop the bottom off it. Get a hacksaw, because you're going to put a nick in the top.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
Well, she's also very good at what she does. Then you're going to get that bit of plastic and you're going to put that in the nick.
But just before we put it on, let's spray paint it.
Yeah, you got to make it look cool. So she takes it outside, gives it a nice sort of pink hue. Then you are going to need your dad's help, so you might want to call your dad. Because you're going to need to actually properly mount this on, right? You can't use duct tape or anything like that. So he actually sort of screws it on. But if you want the proof in the pudding, it is quite impressive.
Wow!
Sounds like a dirt bike going around.
So the plastic bottle acts as like a megaphone. It just amplifies the sound. I'm doing this when I get home today.
And the plastic is hitting the spokes in her tires, so it's making so smart.
You know, our parents used to do this with playing cards, but she's modified it and made it sound awesome.
It is a lot of fun. It looks like a lot, except for the neighbors, but...
So that was lots of fun, but I annoyed the neighbors lots, but who cares?
Hey!
You rebel.
How good was that? Thank you right this minute. Hope you subscribe and write a comment because I love replying to your comments. Thanks for watching this video. Bye!